Hey guys, welcome back with another brand new and exciting strategy. In today's video, I'm going to share with you the best and the top two topic sources that you have never seen and it's never shared actually in this videos or this channel actually or on the internet. Many people are not talking about those two topic sources because they are hiding and they are making their own money, and that's why they don't want to tell other people. So that's why I'm going to share with you in today's video, and you will exactly get benefit from these two traffic sources and a two-level system. So what I just want from you is to watch the video to the very end, to not miss any single part of the strategy, because we are going to combine multiple websites together and then maximizing the result from that. So I'm going to share with you step by step this tutorial that how exactly it is working. So you just need to keep in touch and watching actually, that you should not miss any part of or any single part of the strategy, because we are using CPAGrip and offer Vault actually. So it depends on you which website you are needing, or you, for example, it's available in your country, you can simply use, but you can also use 𝐔𝐍𝐈𝐐𝐤, you can also use, for example, CPA lead, you can use also at work media, Max Bondi, anyone you are interested with that you can simply use, because this specific strategy that I will share you right now. So I just need from you your 8 minutes, 9 minutes, or 10 minutes time actually, then you will be fully implementing this strategy and you will be really happy for this strategy, that how you can promote your CPA offers right here in this video or with this tutorial right here. Before starting the method, I would just request you to just hit the like button as an appreciation for this video, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification, and to all, whenever we upload new video you will be notified of that. And you, if you want to have money on a two pilot system, and that you don't need to have a special skills or much time, so check out the first link in the description of this video, and you will have a comprehensive training from A to Z, that how you can promote your CPA offers or your affiliate links actually from a two pilot system. So let's begin the strategy and not whether further waste the time actually. So as I told you at the beginning, that you can use the CPAGrip or offer wall, it depends on you. Any website you are interested with that you can simply use, but I will just give you as an example on CPAGrip actually. The first step is that you just need to click on the register button, and you need to sign up for a free account right here on the CPAGrip.com. Once you sign up for a free account right here, then you can simply log into your account right here. So I have already logged into my account. You can simply see here, this is all country, filter by all country. Most of the time it is filtered by all countries or your own specific country that you are living, and that those offers are available for you. But if you want to change the country and find out others country products or offers, so then you can simply choose it right here, and you can simply click on that, and that will show and pop up all those offers which is related to that country right here. So we have a lot of offers right here and a lot of different offers that really converts, and many people are using from different countries right here. But we can simply use US traffic, and we will simply target, because with this true traffic source we can easily target the locations. So that's why it is important to promote our offers for the United States right here by just clicking the United States country. So once you click on that, then you will be visited this page right here, that this will be all the United States offers right here, and that is will be available. And here you can simply see here the net, which is 23%. This is also 23%. Most of them are 23%. It means that other people, other affiliates are promoting, and they are earning money from that right away here. So we can also promote those offers that they have a net value or something like that, and many people are promoting. So that's why we can also promote and start making money exactly what they're making. So we can also make with this tutorial right here. So here are different offers, as I told you, that you can simply see here. Act now for a $750 PayPal gift card. This is a PayPal gift card for $750, and this is another one PayPal gift card for $750. $50 another PayPal gift card, and this is for 500 Wayfair gift card. Okay, so most of the time in the United States, which is converting and people are promoting, so those are the gift cards right here. So that's why we have available all the gift card like PayPal gift card for $1,000, and that's another one. Get the latest dishwasher now. Okay, so this is not gift card, but this is the dishwasher for free that you can simply use it right here. So we will have a lot of offers right here, but the basic strategy is that how we can promote and how we can choose. So in this video, we can simply choose $1,000 PayPal gift card right here, which will be this one that we can simply choose, and we can start promoting. The first step is that once you click and copy your link, then you can simply pass it from the link tree or bit.ly or tin URL, means you can simply shorten the link. Once you do that, the next step will be that actually then you can simply copy your link right here, and then you can simply go to the first traffic source, which is the push that house. Push that house is a website, which is this one right here. Push that house. Okay, it's a website for promoting CPA offers or affiliate offers right here, and that is push notification option that's available on this website, and it is a paid traffic source right here. It is a paid but very cheap traffic sources that you have never seen before, and you can simply spend. I will show you that for what country what rates and prices are there. So I will show you step by step that how we can do that, but I can surely tell you that it is 100% best traffic source that we can simply use and start promoting our CPA offers. If we just spend $1, we can at the backside earn $100. So that is the unique part right here in this video with this tutorial right here. So these are the push notification, or for example your ads that it will be available like push notification, which will be pop up right here. Image will be right here, native ads will be here, push will be there. So there are the different sizes and different uh, ads right here that is available, and here you can simply see here the network value, something like that, that for what country what are the rates. For example, for India you can spend per customer right here $0.002 minimum. Okay, so this is something like really low price, means for 0.002 cents you can simply earn one customer. Suppose you are promoting this offer right here for $1,000 gift card, they are paying $2.57. So for 2 cents, okay, only from out of this 7 cents you can earn $2.55 right here. So that is sounds amazing and incredible right here that you can simply promote. This is only for Indian, but here you can simply see all the country, all the available country that you can simply promote. You can simply click on the view all countries right here, and then you will see all the list right here that you can simply see here for each individual country that you can simply promote right here. So it's basically we are promoting the CPA offers for the United States. So we can look for the US or United States right here. Okay, so here is the US. Okay, United States right here. You can spend per customer 0.028 cents, which is incredibly amazing right here that you can simply promote your offer right here. So if you just earn, this is 23 cents. Okay, 0.23 cents, remember. Okay, so here we can simply have it $2.57. You can almost earn $2.30 from that right here, and the rest that will be moved to the website charges right here for the customer. So that sounds incredible, and we can simply see here all these different countries. So any country you can simply easily target on this website, and the companies that you are creating, it's not a big deal. You just need to just create a simple pre-account, and you can simply target the country and start promoting your offer right here. Basically you can use the notification or banner ads. How you can use and how you can do that, you can simply just select 1 2 3, and that then you are good to go with that. So all the countries are available right here on this website in the world, so you can easily target any country you want. You can easily target that country right here, and that is a successful way to promote the CPA offers right here. And another coolest part right here in this tutorial is there that I will also show you another website, which is popular ads. Okay, popular ads is for popularads.com. Okay, remember popularads.com. This is another website, and it is really incredible because they have low prices, and it is a unique website, and it's 100% working website. Okay, remember, I'm not promoting any website right here. I'm just showing you that this is the right website. So the website that I experienced the best, so I'm simply sharing with you that you can simply get benefit from that. So that's why I recommend these two websites for paid traffic that you can simply promote your CPA offers or CPA links right away here. So they have different ads form like push notification, click ads, in page push, and enter initial, something like that. We can simply have it. So these are the ads type right here. And another cool spot is here that they have trusted traffic source like these right here, that you can simply promote your offers with them right here. So by just clicking the start today button right here, this one, you can simply sign up for a free account right here, and the campaigns is also easy right here, the same like the push that house, the same that is working with the same like that. So it is also an incredible website that you can simply use and promote your affiliates. Whether you are affiliates, you are direct, for example, put engage media, buyer service, and support for your brand, expand your reach, for example, right here. Agencies can do that, ad networks can do that. So that is what I can say simply as to tell you that this is the best and unique website. That's all. All the partners or the best are these you can simply see here. And another coolest part in this website is right away here. For example, if you have your own traffic, for example, if you have your own website right here, so you don't need to follow with ads right here with the, for example, with the AdSense or any other media right here that you need to fulfill the requirements, something like that for AdSense or any other one right here. So this website can help you. You can, if you have your own website or you have your own traffic, you can easily monetize with this website right here by just clicking monetize button, and you will be visited to this page right here, make more money with your traffic right here. You can simply just sign up for account right here, and you can take the code, add your website into this, and you can start making money from your traffic right over here. So this is another coolest way for this method or this strategy in case you have your traffic. But if you don't have the traffic, you just need to earn the money online on a two-pellet system, or you just need to have a quick money, something like that, then you just need to go to OfferWall, something like that, or CPAGrip.com right here, and grab the link of your the best offer right here, and just go to this website push note. You just need to go to this website like here, for example, you just need to go to push that house, or you just need to go to the popularads.com. So I just recommend you to use this website. If you are using the paid version, you just need to spend only $5, and the backside you can earn a plenty of money from that. So CPA marketing is almost and always experiencing, and you need to test different websites. So that's why I just recommended these two different websites that you can simply use. At the backside, you can earn a huge amount of money from that right over here. So hope you like the method and you are interested with that, and you take action on the method, and you will see the result from that with billions of users online right here with this website right over here. But if you want to have a two-pellet system, start making money on a two-pellet system every single day, then check out the first link in the description, that how you can promote your CPA offers, how you can promote your affiliate link from different websites like ClickBank, Digistore 24, Various Flash, for example, CPA Lead, CPAGrip, for example, AdWords Media, for example, or you can Max Bounty. You can simply grab your link and start promoting with that one click, because we have 400 plus free traffic sources inside of that trading. Check out the first link in the description, and you will see all the good things right away there. So thank you for watching. Till next brand video. See you awesome with enjoyable moments. But don't forget to hit the like button as an appreciation for this video. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification into all. Whenever we upload new video, you will be notified of that.